In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Trello in just 5 minutes. Whether you're planning a big project or organizing your daily tasks, Trello is a versatile tool that can make managing your workload much easier. Let's dive in and get you started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. This is where everything begins. If you're new to Trello, you'll want to create an account. However, if you're already a user, go ahead and click on the login button located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Once you click this button, you'll see several options to log in. You can choose to sign in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack accounts, or you can simply enter your email address and password. This flexibility ensures that you can integrate Trello into your existing digital ecosystem seamlessly. Now that you're logged into Trello, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its interface, a space designed to be as flexible and fast as possible to handle projects of any size. Whether you're tracking sales leads, launching a new product, or coordinating a team event, Trello can manage it all. Next, let's create your first board. Think of a board as your digital workspace. From your team's workspace tab, look for the Create New Board option, or simply click the plus button, plus, in the Trello header to the left of your profile name and select Create Board. Naming the board is your next step. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of the board, whether it's organizing an event, managing a blog, or tracking the progress of a new project. This clarity will help keep everything organized and efficient. After naming your board, the fun part begins, customizing it. Trello allows you to change the background, pick labels, and set up lists as per your workflow. This personalization can make your board visually appealing and more functional for your team's needs. Once your board is set, it's time to start collaborating. You can invite team members to your new board to distribute tasks and work together efficiently. To invite someone, head to the top of your board and click Invite. Here you can add team members by typing in their email addresses or names. This easy invitation process fosters collaboration and ensures that everyone involved is on the same page. Finally, if you want to make things even simpler, you can get an easy to share invite link at the bottom of the invite menu. This link is perfect for quickly sharing access with someone via chat or email. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to setting up Trello to boost your productivity and team collaboration effortlessly. Now, you've got all the tools you need to start organizing your life with Trello. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.